for an example, Pune. Destination we have Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Destination we have Mumbai. We plan how many trucks we require, what would be the size of the product, how much kgs, the everything we plan here. Okay. So we send the loading instruction. So TM system sends the loading instruction to the EWM system because we perform the loading process after pick pack stage load in the EWM system. Okay. So in that situation, once the loading instruction would be created, system we have the PSHU instruction. Okay. So we have the plant shipping handling unit. Okay, I will explain you more deep how it works, why we have the plant shipping handling unit. Plant shipping handling units, we have the plant, we plan here, we have the templates, okay, blueprints. I will explain on later. So once we send the loading instruction, means this is our property, we tell to system, hey EWM system, I am going to perform the loading process. Immediate system, we can trigger, we can process automatically PSHU, plant shipper handling unit instruction, which system creates one XML file, extensible markup language, to communicate with the EWM system. TM system creates one, system generates one XML file. Okay, it's an easier, okay, file is easy to understand. I will explain you. And I already put some video on social media where I group of the some of the like working professionals. We are sitting on the one kind of area, and I was explaining file processes with the XML file, the same file. Okay, so plant shipper handling unit instruction would be created. Okay, in the system, in the ERP layer, system creates XML file because XML file is the secure, I can say platform independent. Okay, and then or TU creations automatically. How we create the TU automatically? Through the post processing framework. We can create our custom TU. We can process to the PPF automatically. Okay, so then once we send the loading instruction, system would be created. We can create PSHU, plant shipper handling unit instruction, and TU creation automatically, and then this instruction go to the EWM system to the transportable unit. We can create the TU, we can process the TU, we can link the TU with the outbound delivery, or if you have the outbound delivery process. If you are looking for full end-to-end configuration, resume preparations, career guidance, and training supports, please get back to me. So then we have the freight order and change calculation here. So loading, then update, then delivery, update, means this system will acknowledge to the EM system the work is completed successfully. So today in this session we have seen the power of the ASR, Advanced Shipping and Receiving Process, XML file, plant shipper handling unit, how system creates TU creations automatically, how the TM system communicates with the EWM system via XML file. Okay guys, please like, subscribe. You may follow me on different social media platforms. Okay guys, see you once again. Thank you very much.